everyone. Welcome back to our channel. We got sushi because we're really hungry. And my roommate made some miso soup. So this will be fun to try. Got ourselves some bubble tea, which we're going to put some straws in there.
Got a strawberry slush here. Oh.
Oh, wait. Yes.
There you go.
Mm.
It's good.
Oh, chewy bubbles. Chewy. All right, let's chow down. So hungry. Okay.
I'll have the miso soup first.
Yeah. I don't know what to have first. I'm going to try this one.
How is it?
Oh my god, it's good. Love mango. My favorite.
Ooh, what should I try first?
First one's always.
I'm gonna try this one. I think it's the Atlantic seared something roll. It's like California roll with some salmon and some spicy tuna on there. Can you see it? There you go. Sorry, you're right.
How's the miso soup? Miso soup's good? You gotta need to talk louder. No? There we got the spicy tuna. Right?
We're just so hungry right now. Okay. So assorted sashimi. What was this again?
Alaskan roll. California roll. Spicy tuna. Flamed something Alaskan roll. Maggie's. And dynamite roll. And then mango dynamite roll. Oh.
Ooh, I'm excited for that one.
Spicy salmon.
Sashimi.
Spicy salmon sashimi. I'm gonna try this one. Ooh. All right. Spicy salmon. Oh yeah, you can see my soy sauce.
Oh, what should I try next?
Try that one. That one's really good.
Okay. Ooh. Throw my hands in your face.
That's all right.
Okay, so this is like a dynamite roll with California roll, or no, with mango, right?
Mango dynamite roll.
Too hungry right now.
Oh yeah. Try this miso soup here. All I hear is in my mind.
Spicy tuna, some spicy tuna roll. What's in there? There's some other stuff in there.
Maybe that's how they make their spicy tuna.
I guess.
No. Oh yeah, hockey guy. I didn't even show the sashimi. You see the next one I eat. California roll. Very good. I already had the spicy one, but this one's good. Sashimi.
What is there? So we got hockey guy, tuna, salmon. What is this red one right here?
It's a good one. I don't know.
Guess we're gonna have to see.
You let me know.
I'm sure it's good.
I literally want a microphone so I can just like hear me chew.
Yeah. I don't know what it is, but it's good.
It's good?
Yeah. It's like very moist.
That was awkward. Very moist.
Yeah.
Fatty?
Not in a fatty way. I have no
Nope.
clue what it is. Someone tell me what it is.
Yes. You guys tell us what it is, because we have no clue. I can see wasabi on it too. Oh, it's good. I like it. Okay, let's try 2 mackerels.
Ooh. I'm gonna try this. What is this again? Alaska roll?
Alaska roll, yeah. 2.
Alaska roll?
Oh, I can use 2 easily.
Your big fat mouth.
Okay. I haven't tried that yet. You tried it. Oh, you did, yeah. Spicy salmon here too. Try this one. Sorry, I'm in your face now. Oh no, I slid it. I slid it. I slid down.
It was okay.
You guys can see that.
Maybe pull that up a little bit. No, it's not. It's not good.
Okay.
It's gonna have some spicy salmon sashimi. I don't even know what I'm looking at right now.
It's really good, you guys. Are we allowed to say where we got it from? Yeah, right?
Yeah, Sushi Crave.
Sushi Crave from Richmond. Steve Stick.
I'm quite impressed.
It's really good.
You know what? I'm gonna go for a dynamite roll. This is gonna be a big bite. Okay, though.
You know it.
Okay.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm falling in love with this one. Just the mango is amazing.
It's very nice and light.
Yep. Savvy.
Tuna sashimi. Boom. Sorry. Oh, I like this radish stuff.
Let's make you on this one.
It's in your face again. Mango. I think I got a fish egg in my face. Oh no, I got soy sauce on the thing.
Don't worry about it. We gotta wash it next. Oh, I did it too. Sorry. Just gonna pat this down here. You didn't see nothing. Alright, that means I'm gonna need more soy sauce soon. No.
Have the rest of this.
Yeah.
What's your favorite thing so far? Mango?
Mango. Last one sounds pretty good too. Creaminess is really nice.
Ooh, what should I go for next? I'll go for spicy salmon. Okay, cut. There's some sort of salmon thingy. I think it's
Salmon belly?
salmon belly. Oh,
That's a good one too. Okay, oh wait, that was not smart. Yeah, stop it.
I feel like we can finish this no problem.
Yeah, no, easily.
No.
Just so y'all know, we love food.
We love food. We eat a lot of it.
You'll see more of us. Okay. Just looking at myself. Okay, I want to try this salmon belly.
Oh, hello.
Hello. Pretty sure this is salmon belly. Yeah, it is. Yes, looks like it. A little bit of wasabi. Oh, it's really nice. Oh, I really like it.
Is it really creamy?
Oh, yeah. Amazing.
Oh, shoot. I was like, where am I putting this again?
Yeah, right?
Whoa. That was really good.
It was. There's only two, right?
There's another one. There's three.
There's three?
You have
Okay.
it.
Don't mind if I do. After that.
I think their pearls could be a little bit better.
Can't compare. Let me see.
It was it's usually the first thing I look to when I have bubble tea. I'm like, where are the pearls? They don't have the extra chew. It's a little bit harder.
Don't worry. Next time we're gonna get chow time. Yes.
What is this? Somewhere here.
That's tuna.
No, this is tuna. What is
That's tuna. That's white tuna then?
No, no clue.
I'm gonna try. Oh shit! There it goes. Yes. I don't really know where to start.
Mm-hmm.
How you feeling? You're good?
Mm-hmm. Still good.
Mm-hmm. I don't usually get milk tea. I usually get slush.
Mm-hmm.
If you've seen the future videos.
Yeah, I was pretty shocked when you got milk tea.
Wanted something different. There was no passion fruit. How's yours?
It's good.
Yeah. This
I'll try
tastes-
mango next.
Is that
For me.
fresh fruit or powder?
It's definitely not fresh fruit, but I think it's like really syrupy. I think it's missing something. I don't know. Like
Is it sweet enough? Too sweet? Or
it's good, but it's just not like
Mm,
it's not cha-chan good. You know?
Yeah.
Oopsies.
Nope.
Ooh, what should I get next? Your dynamite.
Oh yes. Oh no. Oh no.
Mm.
Okay, wasabi. Wasabi. Oh, wasabi. There's one more there. What spices? Salmon? Sorry.
Is there?
Yeah, there's one more left.
Mm.
Have the last one?
It's being covered, I think. Couldn't see it.
Oh, you're literally looking from the camera?
Couldn't see from this angle either.
Okay. That's why I couldn't see what's over here on the
Oh.
left side, yeah.
Mm.
We need more soy sauce.
There you go, mate.
There you go. You have enough?
Yep.
Sorry, just to pour it in. Am I talking too quiet? No, right? I'm good?
No.
The two? I've had two already. I've had salmon. I'll do cucumber.
I honestly haven't been counting.
No, well, I just want to know what I've had or haven't.
Oh, okay.
But I can easily just do two, though. 2 cucumbers. Cucumber Mackies.
I think I'm at like 75% right now.
Really?
Yeah.
Excuse me.
Bubble tea. Maybe I was just having a lot of pearls.
Mm.
As I'm having more bubble tea right now.
I'm around 60, I think, yeah. We're doing great.
Mm-hmm.
Let's take this out of the way. Single this one.
Honestly, I don't think it was that much food, but
We were just
price-wise, we wanted to see what we could get. Plus, say price of all you can eat.
Not the same.
Mm-mm.
You can eat way more how you can eat.
Mm-hmm. Let us know if you want to see us at All You Can Eat Sushi. It is something special. It is though. 3 rounds.
Pretty good. Yeah, we do very well. All you can eat.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. It'll be something to watch or look forward to.
Those short ribs though.
What do I like? Sashimi off of there.
Mm.
If they have oyster moriyaki, I'm always down for that. But it's rare to find them these days.
I know, right?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
I mean, I don't eat it, but for your sake, you know.
Yeah. For my sake, yes.
I feel like now I'm more talkative because I have food in my system. I couldn't speak earlier. I was like, so yeah.
I was gonna say that. I was gonna say that because like you're a very quiet person. I was like, I don't know.
I'm so hungry.
And we got the energy now. We're all good. Yes.
It was like less talking, more eating.
What's the whole point of this?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what I'm doing here.
You were doing that. I just looked over at you.
Oh no, the rice is throwing me off. I mean, the rice is making me very full.
Uh-oh.
Uh-huh.
What percent you at now?
Probably like 80, 90, 85. I'm getting there.
90, 85,
I'm
83,
I'm trying to
84.
I'm trying to figure that out.
Maybe you just need some bubble tea, like wash it down a little bit, and you'll be good.
I don't know. We'll see. Mm-hmm. I don't know. Oh, too much belly. Oh shit, I moved, didn't I? It's rare for me. I don't usually get pearls.
Yeah.
Today's different day for me.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Milk tea and pearls. Woo!
Now, change it up. Try something new. I've tried milk tea before, but years ago, early 20s. I shouldn't say that. Preteen.
You actually had milk tea like 2 weeks ago.
Oh. Oh yeah.
It was hot though.
Mm.
Still milk tea.
I got a hot milk tea.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Yeah. You had your passion fruit smash, and then when we were about to leave, you had hot one.
Oh yeah, I remember that now. I remember that. Yeah.
2 drinks.
Well, I wanted to try it out. I'm not gonna lie. I'm down for another bubble tea.
I'm just gonna grab it from the camera and see if I can get it. Don't drop it, Tina.
Oh. I love it.
Good save though.
Good save. Well, it was in the box, container still, so it's good. I don't know if I can.
You can't stab it.
I didn't stab. Oh, I got both of them. No, hold up.
It's stabbed. There's like a puncture wound in there.
I'm ready. Hold up. It's getting sloppy. I'm sorry. Okay, I got it. That was very. That was very sloppy. I got it. I resetted myself too, and I got
Good
it.
job.
Okay, I need wasabi.
I have a little bit here.
No, I got it here. We didn't even touch the ones over here.
No.
Okay, that's my last one. Top it up. Haha! Totally do that. Did you do it already?
No.
Let's see you do it. All eyes on you.
I'm gonna go for this one.
Well, okay, you got it. You're good. Kind of like this one. This one's the California roll with the what? Oh.
With the salmon and the sauce on top?
It's a salmon, right?
Yeah. No, it's tuna.
We clearly got a lot of salmon today. All right, I'll have this.
I believe. Tapping out. I'm so good.
I could do this. Not bad. No.
There's like one of each left for each of us. So there's only 3 rows left. It's not that bad. It's not that bad.
Just double fisted it then.
You're doing it yourself.
The quicker I eat it, the quicker it's gone.
Moves.
Oh, you. Two then. You got your. I'm done. No, Sashi, you gotta eat it. I pretty much mashed up to you, okay? 2 different rows, that's it. Fine, I'll have 2 more. I'm gonna double fist it.
Why are you doing this to yourself?
So last 2. Oh, help me. We're just sliding everything over. Alrighty.
Okay.
I got this. Drop a like if you think I got this.
It's filler, that's what it is. It's definitely filler. Still never. It's a rice chicken. It's filler.
Oh.